Cloud EPL ordered March 3rd, 2025. I just now received it. Came in, what, yesterday? Or earlier today? Oh, yeah. And I wanted to say I was one of the first ones, but got a little fridge magnet or a heavy duty sticker. Feels like a fridge magnet, but yeah. Let's see. Let me show y'all this way. Okay. Different little buttons, little plastic for the actuation of the light. It's a little space for SIG. Yeah, trash. 1913. Might need that for staccato. Extra springs. One extra screw. USB-C. Little tiny sucker right there. Okay, looks like they gave me another one. Oh, it almost looks like a Fowler's Industry. Almost. Okay, so that's 2 stickers. A warning label. Boom. Okay. Instruction. I heard this QR code didn't work for some people. I'm assuming this is the battery. Probably rechargeable. I'll clean up later. Yep. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so just a rechargeable USB-C. Curious to see how long that lasts, and if this is dual fuel. I haven't even checked that. And then the Cloud EPL. Let me just toss this to the side. I've already been seeing some issues for some people, so let's hope I don't have these. Watch me not even be able to open this before it already fucks up. Okay. Don't see a sign for which way it says positive or negative, so I'm going to assume it's this way. Just saw a flicker. Oh, it's already flickering. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. That is what we got. Actuator switch works. Guess if you hold it, and then if you just click it. Yeah, cool. That's really about it, guys. I'll let you know how this goes. I'm gonna put this up against the Mod Light 18350 or PLVH2. Of course, I have the OKW head as well, and then the Surefire X300 Turbo. We'll make sure all the lenses are clean on them. They're fully charged, and I'll do a little side by side. But this is just a little unboxing.